Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup tutorial I created this makeup look here. I don't know what, I just sat down today and I lifted out a pile of palettes and I didn't have a clue what I was going to play with. So I kind of wanted to get out of my comfort zone and kind of work with shades and colours that I would never usually work with, which is grey tones, cool tones, you know, all that jazz. I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to know how I got this look then just keep on watching. God. I'm kind of scared to blink in case I fly away somewhere with these lashes. These are probably the biggest lashes I own. I have never had lashes on my eyes like this ever. I definitely had to cut them, and what I cut off them was this. Like, look how much I had to cut off these lashes. Like, Jesus Christ. But if you're into big massive lashes like this, they are fab. They are really, really fab. They're actually very, very comfortable to wear. They're very, very lightweight and fluffy. There guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll all be linked listed down below in the description box. And I hope to see you all in my next video.